What's up everybody, my name is Gabriel Showole, but you can call me Kayshow, and welcome to another Photoshop tutorial. And in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to change the color of this to this. Very simple, but before then, intro. Welcome back guys. Changing the color of an image in Photoshop is pretty simple. All you need is your selection tool and the hue and saturation. So let's get straight into my laptop and I'll show you how to do just that. Okay guys, so the first thing you want to do is to bring in your image. So I've brought in mine, and the next thing for us is to select the color. Alright, so the color we have here right now is color yellow, and don't forget this can only work with you changing the color of something that is colored. Alright, so you can't use it to change the color of a black shirt or maybe a white shirt. It has to be colored. Alright, so the first thing is to select the color. So we'll go to select, we'll choose color range. So let me select my layer here first. I'll go to select color range, and this will allow me to select the yellow color. Alright, so some of the settings you want to make sure you're using here is: number one, you want to make sure you're in sampled color. Number two, you want to make sure you're in grayscale. And then my fuzziness is around 127. You could reduce your fuzziness, okay, and that will kind of take away most parts that don't need to be there. Or you can increase your fuzziness, and you can see it's kind of like bringing everything. So right here, everything white would be selected, everything black would not be selected. So what we want to have selected here is our t-shirt and just the glass. So let's see how that plays out. Let me reduce the fuzziness. So I think somewhere around here is looking fine, around 90. Okay, around 90 looks good. So we just have a little part still selected here, here, and here. So we can take that, we could take care of that with our layer max. So I'm going to click OK now, and then that will have my selection made. And then I can go to layer, new adjustment layer, and choose hue saturation. So this will allow me to change the color. I'll click OK here, and then I'll come to the hue and saturation here and drag the slider to change the color. So you can see how easy it is to just easily change the color to this. So I like this color right here. Alright, so I'm going to leave that there, and you can see how we've easily changed the color. But if you look around the hand here, you can see some pink color right there and right here. So we can take care of that by coming here. We'll click on the layer max, but you hold down Alt and then click on the layer max. So it's going to give you this black and white view, and I can select my brush right here, and I can increase my brush size. Okay, increase the brush size by using the close bracket. And then I can make sure the color is black, and I just want to paint away this area that I don't want and this area that I don't want that is being selected. All right, so there you have it. So that's all we want to do right there. All right, so maybe his mouth area here also, and somewhere around here. So that's fine for now. I'll come back here, click on Alt and click on the layer max to bring back my image, and you can see what we have right now. So this is what we have before, and you can see what we have after. So very easy way to quickly change the color of an image in Photoshop. All right, so that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, you can leave them down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Smash the subscribe button if you know you want to see more videos like this, and click on the notification bell so that you can receive updates when I release new videos. Now, if you're a beginner to Photoshop and you would like to understand and learn what Photoshop is all the way from the scratch, then I have an online course that will do that just for you. Check it out in the link in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next video.